Talk. Yeah, no, talk to us. What are you saying?
Sorry, I rattled the paper again.
That's okay. She's probably saying, rattle that paper more.
Is that what that means?
I think so. Surest way to get a quiet baby is to turn on the video camera. Yes. Are you being silly? You're making little squeaks. What are you saying? Whoa! I think you're scaring the viewers. Whoa! Whoa! Hi. You make a lot of silly noises.